What's up, YouTube? We back with another video eating Pizza Hut with my husband.
JoJo&Momo.
Another mukbang, I guess.
Raspberry brisk, you know.
I had one, but I drunk it before we even started the video.
This pizza is cold.
Yeah, it is. I went to the wrong Pizza Hut.
Oh, that went down hard. I messed up.
That's my sister over there. She have a Yorkie.
Teacup, get it right.
Well,
That's a teacup Yorkie?
a teacup Yorkie. It's so cute, y'all. I want one. I always had a thing for small dogs. What about you? You don't like small dogs? But you said the Pomeranian in that one video was cute.
It was. It was like this big. It was white. You know, little dogs annoying.
I love dogs.
They got that high pitch. Yep.
I like cats too. I want a Maine Coon cat. Let's get a cat, babe. Why not? Why we can't get a cat?
My mouth full. I'm not about to talk to you.
This is a mukbang.
I'm not gonna talk to you in my mouth full. If I got a little bit of food in my mouth, I might converse. I don't like cats after working at an animal shelter. Disgusting.
How are they
Cats are so
disgusting?
nasty, man. They were shitting all over the walls. They bed had shit all in it, all in the food bowl,
I don't know
on the
what.
glass. They was nasty.
I don't know what cats you had.
All of them did that in them.
Cats I had wasn't good. Wasn't like that.
I had to do their laundry. Disgusting as fuck, man. Disgusting as heck. Excuse me. They was doodling everywhere. The cats, and it was like, ugh.
The cats I had always went in the litter box.
Nasty. And the dog smell, that's why I had to quit after like a week or two. The smell of the dogs just almost threw up. As soon as you hit, it's like at least 20 different dogs, all different breeds, and just all they shit, excuse me, all of their poop combined, that smell is just too strong. Mm-hmm. And when I hit it, I instantly just thinking about it making me feel sick.
Mm.
That's nasty. And then it's because like overnight they gonna boo boo in their cage or whatever, and then they all boo booing, and it just stinks so bad. I don't even know. I can't compare that smell to nothing.
Well, who's in charge of cleaning their kennels or whatever?
They got people, but they not. Ain't nobody there overnight. I don't think. Disgusting.
Mm.
And then when you walk into the cat place, it smells like ass and yogurt. But that smell like nothing compared to the dog smell. The cat smell, it stink, but it smell like yogurt, so you can kind of handle it. But you can handle it way better than the dog smell. Like I had to, you know what I'm saying? Get the bandana and wrap that hell around my face. Just to even walk past the dog. I'm really starting to feel sick thinking about it. I feel like I'm about to go up.
Did y'all feed the animals before y'all left at night?
I think I'm about to throw up for real.
Y'all shouldn't have fed them before y'all left if y'all did.
I think I'm about to throw up.
Don't throw up on me.
That just killed my appetite.
I don't think I'm gonna be working at an animal shelter. Since you said all that.
I go in the morning. I feed the cats. I take care of the cats. So I clean their cages out, and then once they cage clean, I get their little mats, their little beds, put them all in the bucket. I had a cart, like the little gray cart with the wheels. Like back in the day, they used to put, like the teachers used to have
Yeah.
those. I had one of them with the little tray on top and the tray on the bottom. I put all their little beds on there, take them to the laundry room, and put them in them. Did I put them in the machine? Somebody else washed them. I think I put them in the stack. I think I either put them in the stack or in the machine, but I ain't do the whole washing thing. But I go in the room, do that, and then I get the fresh bed for them. Put all the fresh beds on there, just stack them all up till I count how many I got, stack them all up, give them their fresh bed, get the food. Then I go in there, put the beds in there, and then like they be trying to get out to play and stuff when you trying to put the bed in there. So you gotta come behind it with the food and kind of scoot them back, close it. And some of them did get out. And the way it was set up, it was like this much space under the cabinet, under the little cage thing. And then some of them were small, they were squeezing it. And it was like the one you want, the Maine Coon, it was one about that big. He tried to get his little fat self over there. Did not work. I went and scooped him. It was a little black one that got in there. I could not catch it for nothing. But that big one got out the cage. I was like, you big, I catch you. So I just cleaned his stuff because he was chilling. Put him fresh bed, food. And then when it's time to go back in the cage, I was like, get in the cage. And then he just looking at me. I said, get in there. And then he gonna try to get under. You know you too big to fit up under there. But I don't even know who's trying to play. Scooped him up, put him in there. He was chill. I liked him. That little black one though, it was under the thing. I couldn't get it. Next thing you know, yeah, okay. Can you get a bottle of water?
Yeah.
Next thing you know, the little black cat was on top. Talking about the time I worked at the animal shelter. Almost. It was a little black cat and I couldn't catch it. And it slid under the cages. Next thing I know, it was on top. It was high. It was on top of it looking at me.
Jumped on your head.
I don't know what it did. I don't know how he got up there. Probably went around the side, jumped on the chair, and then got up there somehow. Crafty. Yeah. Working at animals. It was cool because it was an easy job. I could listen to my music, play with the cats, play management. But I also have to take care of the feral cats, the wild ones. You go back there and they got them set off in the room where can't nobody go. You go back there to change their stuff. You got to get their bed out, and you think the regular cats is bad. They boo boo is bad because they wild. They got boo boo everywhere. And then when you try to take the thing out, take the pad out, the little bed, they trying to get you. They try to take me out.
I'm not working on one of those.
They try to take me out. You know, cats got them hands. They try to take me out.
Mm-hmm.
It was just one cat I did not like in the feral park. Always trying to fight me, man. And then if they get loose, you have hell trying to catch them. We got gloves on. With the glove, he have hell trying to catch a little feral cat in a room. That's why he makes you close the door behind you. Them hoes get loose. Excuse my language. Those cats get loose. And nothing nice for nobody. Really. And they'll slide under there. I'm using the broom to try to block them off. Then they had like it was like, I don't want to say triplets. I guess you could say triplets. It was 3 little cats, 3 babies, kittens, in one cage. And they would always be trying to take the thing out. They'll all squeeze into the corner because they were scared. Yeah. The worst thing about working there is the smell. Having to clean their poop.
They don't have litter boxes in there?
No,
That's why.
they should. Excuse my language. They put it everywhere. There ain't no litter box. They need to put something in there. That's nasty. They got us. They pay us $11 an hour to go in there and clean it. Clean their boo boo. And then at the same time, while you trying to clean, once the business open, you got people coming in there trying to adopt them. Like little kids come in there want to play with them. Hey, you see me trying to clean the cage and you trying to play with it. Go away. Teenagers and stuff coming in there want to play with the kitties. Go away. Ain't working. It's away.
That's crazy.
Yeah, never again though. Never. I would work back there if I had to, no cap. I got paid every week. But eventually you gotta go to the dogs and I wasn't for that. I couldn't. They smell too bad. That's what they ask you when you go up there, they're like, are you scared of dogs? No. Are you scared of cats? Do you have any problem cleaning poop? You just gotta say no to everything.
But you did have a problem.
What?
But you did have a problem.
Nah, I didn't know it was gonna smell like that. That smell icky. I'm like, can I wear like a bandana or a mask or something? It's like, yeah, you can. I don't know the smell is a lot. Yeah.
What are you doing?
That's the end of my story. I've been talking for 10 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Your turn.
You didn't even touch your food.
Bro, I started feeling sick. I got to heat it back up. That story powerful for real. I must do it. Okay. That's the end of this video. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have to heat my food back up. Yeah.
Yeah.
They let flies in.
Those ain't fly, those are nets, whatever you call them. Gnats.
But he let some flies in. Your daddy be holding the door open.
I know.
Anyways, about to go pay this PlayStation bill. Hop on some Dead by Daylight. You know what I'm saying? Click the link below. You know what I'm saying? Watch the broadcast. Watch some of my gaming videos. You know what I'm saying? Help me out. Somebody help us put us on how to edit videos and have thumbnails and everything.
Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. And we see you guys soon. Bye.
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 3, 2, 1. Bye.
Bye.